Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to add a video from your computer, YouTube or Google Drive to Google Slides. So first thing that you will do guys is just simply go ahead and go to your YouTube video, and from here just simply copy the link over here by selecting all and copy, and now go to your Google Slides and just simply select insert over here at the top, and you should be able to see here video, select it, and from here as you can see you will have YouTube, which you could just simply paste the URL over here, or you will have a Google Drive, which you could just simply select one of your video in your Google Drive. Now in my case I will have the YouTube and paste the URL over here and enter on your keyboard, and as you can see it has detected our video, and just simply select it and insert, and as you can see it will pop up over here, and on the right side over here you will have multiple options that you can choose from to edit your video on how would you like it to look on the Google slide. There you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.